السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه السلام عليك.
Insaf is very important. It's one of those qualities that if someone has, you just want to be with them. Fairness, insaf. What is insaf? Insaf comes from nisf. Nisf means half. What does it mean? I can put it in this way. When there is something between me and another person, another party, maybe one individual, maybe one family, maybe one group, maybe a company, I don't know, another party. There is something between me and them. There is my right, there is their right, so is a case here. Insaf means not to try to bring their rights to your side by being biased, by being selfish. Insaf means to stand half the way between yourself and the other party, be impartial, be not biased, and look in an objective way what is your right, what is their right. Maybe they are good people or bad people. Maybe they can present their case, maybe they cannot present their case. If you are munsif, it doesn't make difference for you. It's impossible that you take even the least of their right to your side. Yes, you can forgive some of your right, if you like, because you're right, you can forgive, but you cannot take from their right. A fair person, a just person, can be forgiving, can be generous with his own part, but not taking from the other party. Zulm. In other words, a fair person is the one that, if he's going to be judged between himself or another person, must not take his own side. It's very difficult. If you have a case with someone and you go to the court and you see the judge is friend of that person, you don't trust this court. You say, I don't accept because this judge is friend of this person, is cousin of this person. Let alone if the same person is judge as well. So he is judge and the case is between you and the judge in the same court. No one would accept. But if we know that person is fair, it means that we can trust him to be judge between us and himself or herself. And this is what me and you have to achieve in our life. Every day, many times, we judge between us and other people. Many times, every day, we judge. So we organize the court, we take the role of the judge, but between whom and whom? Between myself and someone else. And it is surprising or not surprising that most of the time we are winning. Other people are doing wrong things, are doing mistakes. I don't know why people don't appreciate me, why people have problem with me. All the things are in my favor. Yes, because you have prepared the file and you have judged, so you are taking your side. If you want to help Imam Mahdi Ajjalallah Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif, and indeed to help yourself, you have to be equipped with justice and try to start with fairness. Between you and your siblings, be fair. Between you and your parents, be fair. Suppose you were in their position. Are you able to see their challenges? Are you able to see their side of the story? Or you can only see your part? You can only think about your interest. How many times I can give rights to other people? Very unfortunately, it's not very common. Insaf is very important. If there are people who are munsif, I am sure they are very much loved by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Mu'mineen who are munsif are very, very valuable. You cannot put actually value for them if they are munsif. So, the first thing is to strengthen ourselves with taqwa, with willpower, and especially equip yourself with insaf. Someone who is munsif is not going to do zulm to anyone. And then ma'rifah. Ma'rifah of Allah and ma'rifah of hujjah of Allah and ma'rifah of community.
As-salamu alayka ya hujjata Allah fi